Hey guys, Captain Keto here. So today is day 13, day 14. Last video I did was on day 11. Um, so yeah, not a lot has changed. I do know that starting Tuesday, my 2 week mark for our keto, starting on Tuesday, I'm going to start what they call intermittent fasting. What intermittent fasting is you eat for 4 to 8 hours through the day and then you fast. They say to fast, which means stop eating. They say to start at 16 hours, then work into 18 hours, then work into 20 hours for doing a fast like that, an intermittent fasting. But with the way my hours are at work, I have no choice but to go the 20 hours. So, I think I can do it. Last night kind of was a test run. I did eat dinner last night, but when I get home, I eat at like 11 something at night, which isn't good for me anyway, but with this keto, I have been losing weight, so it's not hurting me. But at the same time, eating that late at night and then going to bed isn't that great. So, why they call it intermittent fasting is because you only do it for so many days in the week. You don't do it every single day. So I'm doing it 3 days out of the week. So Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So kind of give me a break in between. So pretty much every other day. What'll happen is I'll eat breakfast around 8-ish. I'll eat lunch, which I don't normally do, around 12-ish. And then speed anywhere between 12 and 12:45 is when I'll stop eating. At that point, I'll go to work, I'll come home, it'll help me not eat that late at night, and it'll help me be able to get some more rest, because then I need to eat. When I eat, I watch TV, and then I don't go to bed till like 12:30, where now I won't be eating dinner, so I'll be able to go to bed probably somewhere around 11:30. It gives me another hours of sleep, which is really good for me. Let's see, anything other changes? I really haven't been doing anything any different other than what I'm going to start. Last time we talked, I was 17 pounds down. Now, tomorrow is the weigh-in. I haven't forgotten. But remember that the first time, which was the 17 pounds, the first time you lose weight, you lose water weight. That's what I have a feeling I did. That means you lose it like that at a big chunk. However, this go around, I don't think it'll be as big, but I do think it'll be weight loss. So 1 pound, 2 pounds, weight loss is weight loss, guys. So don't expect to lose 17 pounds every single week, because it's just not going to happen. And if it does, it's kind of unhealthy. So, I'm trying to do this right, trying to keep my fats up. My ketone levels are still skyrocketing, so that's a good thing. Still staying in ketosis. Been really good staying on this keto lifestyle. Haven't really faltered very much at all. It's been my first 2 weeks anyway. Haven't really tried any fat bombs. Tomorrow I am going to try keto ice cream. Some kind of vanilla ice cream. So we'll try it out and I'll let you guys know what it was like. Other than that, guys, I do want to share with you guys something really good. Alright, so my wife found a keto pizza. Keto style pizza. What it is we went and got the Mission low carb taco tortillas. Alright, remember, you just want to stay low carb. There's really not very many sugars in them at all. We got we got Simple Truth petite tomatoes. And then we found a recipe online, and I have what they call a magic bullet. It's like it used to be for my nutrition shakes and things like that. But you put the tomatoes in it and you blend it. You can do it in a blender too, and it makes it into a sauce, like a tomato sauce. Well, then you put the spices in, and you made yourself a homemade pizza sauce. Tastes pretty dang good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's really good. Then I got like pepperonis, and we did bacon, and I got sausage. We cooked it all up. So we have those little pizzas. You put it in the pan on some olive oil, put the sauce on, put your mozzarella cheese on. Don't do a lot of it, guys. Remember, keto dieting means not a lot of dairy. I mean, it does allow for cheese, but doesn't mean pile it on there. So we sparingly put some mozzarella cheese on so you had the taste. Put pepperonis, all kinds of toppings, guys. And I mean 2. Okay? You're talking about a 400-pound man at dinner time. 2 little taco-sized pizzas filled me right up. I've noticed a lot lately that I haven't been eating nearly as much. Used to, I'd have 2 plates of food. I'm not going to lie. Now, I eat about a fourth of what I used to eat. And I'm stuffed for hours. Especially at lunchtime. It's freaking amazing, guys. I love this diet. Alright, guys. Please, please, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell notification so you're notified when any more of these videos come out, when I release them. If you're on YouTube, please go to the Facebook group. It's A Keto Life for Us, and join it. That's my Facebook group that I've started for the keto dieting. I figure we can all get together. We can talk. We can beginners. We can help each other out. You can ask me questions. You can ask other people questions. I think it'll be amazing. Also, if you're on Facebook watching this, please go to YouTube. Go to Captain Keto with a K. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. On both of them, please hit thumbs up. Show me some love. More love means more people will see these videos, which hopefully will mean more people's lives can change. I've already had one person join the keto. Mr. Philip Lopez. Mr. Uncle Phil. And I'm sure he's going to be losing some good weight too. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.